Comprised of 16 manufacturing facilities and serving 145 countries, Cavani Group is one of the world's leading manufacturers of equipment and components for gas control. Throughout the years, under the Cavani family's guidance, its organizational structure has progressively increased, and today it is divided into 6 principal focus areas, separated by interest field and target, but with synergy as far as the know-how and business possibilities are concerned. Being active for more than 70 years, always following the original mission, wherever gas is the integral part and provides energy for everyday life, there will be the technological and productive commitment from Cavani Group. A comprehensive, one-stop solution for each type of gas, in order to promote safe and functional utilization in all types of applications.